I could use the piece of chicken whole, but not today. We're going to bang this down. Banging the larger side of the breast first. And when I'm done, you'll see it. You can see the size now. I'm going to cut this in 4 pieces. Easier to handle and very easy to cook. Cut this little piece of fat off. Trim that fat off. Now this is going to take like no time to cook. We're going to season this, dust it in flour, put some oil in the pan, and saute it very quickly on both sides. Now we'll season the chicken not only on one side because it's so thin. A little salt, like so. And a little pepper. You can't really see the pepper because this is a mix of red, yellow, green, and I don't know if there's any black in there. Now we're going to dust that in flour and saute it. We're going to dust them in flour. I could use a larger pan to get all 4, but you know what? I'm not in a rush. And shake it off, coat it. That's pretty hot, and that's what I want. Just 2 pieces at a time. Make sure that they are the way I want them. I don't have to play with everything at once. Nice high flame. You want this to be done quickly. And after this, and I mean super high, after this, we're going to, and I don't need color. You just need to get a little, because we're going to put onions, garlic, a little, as everybody likes, ginger, and then some chicken stock, and then a drop of cream. And the flour that's on here is going to thicken the chicken stock. So that's enough, because it'll be sitting in the sauce for a few minutes to finish. Let's get the sauce done with this. A lot of butter, and everything that I diced up is going in there. And I was going to do it another way, but I said, you know what? I like ginger. We like ginger here. And that doesn't mean it has to be an Asian dish to like ginger. If you like something, you just go ahead and do it. So we're going to saute this just for a minute. And then add the white wine. Let it reduce like you always do. And this tastes good no matter what. A pinch of salt. Good enough. And a drop of pepper. That should suffice, because the chicken is seasoned. The reason why I put 2 tablespoons of butter in there, because if you're going to have butter in something, you want to taste it. And you're going to taste it in this. Let us now add the vino. Raise the temperature. The pieces will form very well. If I had some brandy in there, it would. Highest flame possible. And as soon as this reduces almost to nothing, we're going to add the chicken stock. Oh, smell that. Too bad you're not here. And after the chicken stock, we're going to have the heavy cream. Just about ready for the hot chicken stock that we have sitting double boiled over on the other side. This is actually only 6-ounce piece of chicken, so it's for one person. But you could stretch it to 2 if you're a light eater. Now for the chicken stock. And the heavy cream. As soon as it gets a little bit reduced, I'm going to add the chicken. Which is just about now. Give this a quick taste. Ooh, almost tastes like it has oysters in it. Now we'll put the chicken. Now as you notice, the chicken is still a little rare, which is perfect. We're still dealing with the highest flame possible. And then what I'm doing, as soon as I turn this over, I'm going to leave it, and then later when it's time to eat, reduce it. A couple of turns, and the flour should help this to thicken. Lower the flame just a little, no, not yet. The consistency of the sauce is good. And I'm having this with pasta, so that's why I made the sauce like so. Yeah, shut it off. And then cover it. And wait till later just to warm it up. Just bring it to a boil like so. Move it around just a little bit. And if you see that the chicken is cracking, that means you overcooked it. Anyway, now we're ready to dish this up. Just lower the flame. Make the plate. That means that all the items that go on the plate have to be ready right now. And they are. First we'll get the rice. And put the rice. Put the broccoli. And then put this. Let's take a look at that. And there you go. I hope you like it.